Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to fix the Steam error that says there was a problem processing your request and error was encountered. So this usually happens when buying or redeeming codes or browsing the store. So let's go step by step and get it working again. So the first thing is if you're using Steam like this, if it is opened on your screen, you need to go ahead and restart the Steam. You can close the Steam completely, look out for the cross option in the top right corner, click on it, and you can just go ahead and reopen the Steam and try again. So go ahead and open up Steam again, head over to Steam and double click on it to open up on your screen again. Another thing we can do is we can clear the browser cache in Steam. Once you open up your Steam, you can just go ahead and click on Steam in the top left corner, click on it, head over Steam, go ahead and click on it, and once a menu appears on your screen, select the option of settings from the given menu and go ahead and open it up. Once you open up this settings available, you can go to web browser option from here, if there is any option available of web browser. Or if you do not find that, you can select the option of in-game from here, go ahead and click on it. And from there, you can find the option of deleting web browser data. Go ahead and find it up. And here you can go ahead and find the cached files, cookies, and history. You need to go ahead and click on this option called delete. After that, you just need to confirm that you would like to delete all of the Steam browser cached file, cookies, and history. Go ahead and confirm it up. And once it is confirmed, you can close up your Steam and again reopen it up on your screen. And that should do it. Apart from that, what you can do is you can use the Steam website instead. You can go over and open up a browser. And then once you open up a browser, you can go ahead and go to store.steampowered.com. So go ahead and type in store.steampowered.com and hit enter. And that should open up the page. You can log in and try the same action there that you used on the Steam application. And that's it. You can close this up once it is done. Restarting Steam, clearing cache, and checking your network or anything that should probably help you out. So if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and also drop a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.